At Fairweather's, we have one of the largest collections of Agapanthus in Europe. Also known as the African lily or lily of the Nile, these beautiful evocative plants are native of South Africa and come in a wide variety of colours, from white to blue to mauves and to purples. They love the sun and are drought tolerant. They come in two forms: evergreens, which keep their leaves during the winter, which are native to the area around Cape Town, which are most suited to being grown in pots as they can be protected from the frost in winter. The deciduous Agapanthus are hardier than the evergreens and are therefore suited to being planted in borders. And they produce these lovely clumps of lush green foliage before producing their spikes of flowers in July and August. They love the sun and they still require a good free draining soil. The plants that we supply come in two sizes: a 2.5 litre pot, which is ideally suited to being planted straight into the ground, or can be used to potted up into a container, and we'd suggest that you use something that is no more than twice the size of the plant volume that you receive. Remember, if you're growing an Agapanthus in a pot, that you should make sure that the rim of it is wider than the bottom. Otherwise you'll struggle to get it out when you want to repot it. And then we also sell smaller plants as 9-centimetre pots, which are suitable to being planted out in gardens in milder parts of the country, or are best otherwise potted on into a 2 or 3 litre pot for a season before being put into the border or repotted on the following year. We suggest that the planting or potting is done in spring, but if you're careful when you plant that you make sure that that you keep up with the watering, you can do this in summer and autumn in milder parts of the country. Good luck with your Agapanthus.